Everyone, Amtrak and CSX Revenue, and we got a train close to like 11:42. Looks like a freight from here because I heard Amtrak 40 had to wait for a freight like this or some other freight to clear the track so it can get into the station platform track. So it could be this guy or another train that he's waiting for from whatever I heard on the radio recently. But yeah, this is a freight here we got.
Equipment defect sector. Milepost 280.0. Track 2. No defect. No defect. Total axle 4.
Looks like a different unit we got. Looks like it's a different company, not CSX. It looks like it's a different company. Looks like a BNSF, it looks like we got. And there he goes. Awesome catch to catch BNSF. Again, I also caught this company before around here on another freight tanker, as well. So you guys can check that video out anytime as well. That other BNSF. And it's good to see it out again. Using this line with CSX, and then Union Pacific uses it too with CSX and Amtrak as well.